Draw drain outlet center line on the floor. Cut line with pencil or tape according to cardboard. Draw the drilling position based on the fixed toilet accessory. Use an electric drill to drill holes at the marked locations. Install expansion screws and toilet accessories. Install screw accessories. Tighten with an electric drill. Put on the upright screw that fixes the toilet bowl. Tighten with a wrench. Install the flange. Install the angle valve on the wall. Lift it up from the back and open it. Take out the backup battery box. Install the backup battery. Installed on the smart toilet. Clean the ground. Keep the ground dry. Align the smart toilet with the drawn line and install it on the ground. Tighten the nuts on both sides behind the smart toilet. Take out the water pipe and power cord and place them aside. Put the cover plate in place. Open the seat ring. Press at the indicated position to install the cover plate. Install the water pipe. Tighten with a wrench. Unscrew the filter with a screwdriver. Clean thoroughly with a brush. After cleaning, install it. Install the power cord onto the power strip. Press the switch to connect the power supply.